Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I'm going to the file and taking the new. Then I'm selecting a 3D representation of a single design component. Okay. Then I'm selecting the MMGS. Going to the selecting front plane. Then extruded process select. Taking the circle and sketch it 100 millimeters dia. Then go to here and select the line command, and I'm taking 800. I'm taking it 100 millimeters. Then I'm going here, it will be 25 millimeters. Then add to this point. Again I'm taking the line command and start from this point, and it will be 100 millimeters. Going here and select the 25 millimeters, 25, and join to this point. After that skip. Then going here, trim entity select, cut it. Okay, then exit it. Then I am taking it 80 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I am going here, extrude card select and click on this surface. Before going here, Ctrl Z. I am extruded card select and click on the surface. Ctrl 8. Taking the circle and sketch it 50 millimeters. Okay. Then selecting the through all. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the extrude cut again, click on the surface, Ctrl 8. Then I'm selecting this portion and sketch it. Going to the smart dimension and determine this portion from here to here, it will be 25 millimeters, and from here to here it will be 20 millimeters. Then exit it and through all select. Okay, done. I'm going again extruded card select and click on the surface. Going here, I'm in the center rectangle select and sketch it. Similarly going here and sketch it. Then go to the smart dimension and determine this dimension, it will be 15 millimeters, and from here to here it also 15 millimeters, and from here to here distance will be 25 millimeters. Similarly this portion is also 25 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. Then through all select. Okay, done. You are watching this. Then I am going to fillet and sampling is selected. Click this corner, this corner, this corner, and also this corner, and similarly okay, and 10 millimeters radius is selected, and it will be I'm taking 60 millimeters. Okay, done. $60 millimeter is huge, so 50 millimeters is enough. Okay, done. You are watching this portion. Okay, circle, click on the surface, Ctrl 8. After that I am taking the circle here. Okay, this point I'm taking a circle whose diameter is 5. Similarly, from here I am sketching also a circle who is also 5 millimeters. Exit it, then through all is selected. Okay, done. You are watching this portion. Then I am going here, selecting the materials, going to the here and select the polished steel. You are watching this. Okay, I am taking the color this one. You are watching. Then I am going here, select this one. Then projection B is selecting. Projection B is showing. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.